Christmas 1988. Right on.
Produced by
Stand away a little bit. Yeah.
Man will get you in trouble.
Oh, you're right. Move out of the way. Move out of the way. Part of the story that y'all saw just a moment ago, you saw Brett, Josh, and Grant on the lawnmower doing their solo skiing on sand. That's called Florida sand skiing. And there was a little arrow made somewhere in all that thing that went on. And Brett, you tell them what happened.
Okay. When we were on there, the lawnmower hit that thing back there, and then we all fell off and it crashed it.
It did. What happened? I mean, what made it crash into that?
The lawnmower.
Oh, the lawnmower crashed into that? Who was driving it then? I was driving it? Oh, I thought I was trying to catch it. But now with you skiing? And we all fell off?
Yeah.
That's fun, wasn't it? What'd you tell me? That Nam was going to get on me?
Yeah.
Okay.
And you're going to get on the ground.
That's right. And that's the way it looks now. Brett, move over a little bit that way and let me show him what happened. We ran right across there where Brett's standing, and I could catch that sucker, and it hit that fence, and that's the fence it really saved the air conditioner back there, and it knocked that old fence down by the time I grabbed it and cut it off. But it was plowing up. It probably going through the garage.
And then what happened when we were starting to eat, Gran left the motor running.
That's right. Sure did. But we cut it off, didn't we? Okay, what you got in your box?
A critter.
What kind of critter is it?
The kind what digs holes and eats roots.
Does what?
The kind what eats roots and drinks the stuff.
And yeah, and what did we call that thing?
I don't know.
You remember that mole?
The mole.
Mole what?
The mole critter.
Mole, that's right. What was it again?
The mole critter.
Mole cricket, that's right. And we got him right down there, and we're going to breed those things, and we're going to give them to Mr. Kaysen and Mr. Greaser and all those people that got that pretty green grass, and they'll just love to have those little critters right there. And Brett says he's going to raise them and sell them, right, Brett? Boy, you're gonna make a fortune, I guarantee you. Okay, well, I'll see you later.
Tell you what, when I find the one at my house, I'll give it to you.
Yeah, don't give it to me. Give it to the Kaysons. They love them. You know
I'll
the
give one to you too.
Okay, I appreciate that. Okay, catch you later.
Catch you later.
Do you sing on the road again? You want to sing it? How about that other song you sing?
You mean it's my party?
Yeah.
It's my party and I can cry if I want to.
Sing a little bit louder so they can hear you.
It's my party and I can cry if I want to.
That's good. You want to get your banjo and come out here and play it for them?
We're finished. Huh?
We're finished. We've had it, huh?
We've had it.